Hello, in this Flutter tutorial I am going to cover some basic app-based code. So this first class that you have right here, so just if we quickly go over it, we just import in the material.dart package, which just allows us to basically use some of the material functionality and using the Dart language. This main is always the main entry point, the main method is, so you always need that, and that essentially is just invoking the run app, and it is creating a new instance of this my app class. This my app class, you can think of it like is the basics, and then the app side of things is really in this class, which is essentially the state of the object, and then in here you can add functionality, and we'll be doing all of that in separate videos. So in here, the two things I'm going to demonstrate. Before I go over to this screen, though I'm doing it on a Mac, the process is exactly the same because we are doing no Mac specific functionality in these videos. And after you've got it set up, I've got set up videos for all platforms. It's the same if you want to do it for iOS, you'll just have an iOS simulator or device, but apart from that, it is exactly the same. So as you can see, it's got a blue bar and it says Flutter demo home page. So let's change both of them. So the color is right here. So colors dot, let's say if I want to change it to my favorite color, which is red, and there's a bunch of other colors as well. So we could do like green, for example. And as you can see, I've just typed in R, just with the word R. There's a whole bunch of them, and and so let's just do regular red. And if I replace this with epic page, and I can even click this button to hot reload it, which means it's not going to deploy the application all over again. It's just a lot quicker, and I recommend doing that for most modifications. Or if I save it, it usually does a hot reload, and as you see, it changed it for us. So that changed not only this color, the accent color of this bar here, and the button as well, and the page title changed as well. So that's basically the app base code. Really, you're not going to be doing much more in here than that, and the rest of the code will be going into the other sections. So it's just a little quick thing. I recommend, as an extra task, experiment especially with a color. Have a look at all the different color options. If you have any questions though, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.